Okay, in this video, I want to have a look at a couple of more features that we didn't cover in the previous video. So one of the things was with the filter, the auto filter, remember I'm just turning it on over there. You can see it's on because it's indented on that icon, and obviously you can see all the drop downs. When I click on this, remember we looked at the number filters and we said top 10, right? But it's also important to note that you can have the bottom 10 by clicking on this drop down. So it's not only the bottom, the top, it's also the bottom percentages that you can look at. And you could also change this percentage. So if I want to look at the bottom 20%, I could say the bottom 20%, and I could click on OK, and it would give me the bottom 20% of people in terms of the monthly sales. All right, so that's the one thing. I'm just going to go ahead and clear that. The other thing I wanted to show you is that if you had certain of these cells, let's say they were highlighted in a different color, and let's actually even use maybe green. Let's use a green there, and let's use green there. All right. You're also able to, on this drop down, you'll see there's a filter by color, and all the colors will appear here. So if I click on that yellow, it'll basically filter the yellows. I could also, of course, click and turn on the green as well, so you can filter the greens. So hopefully that actually gives you an idea that you can actually filter by color, or the default here obviously being, now if I said no fill, all the ones with colors don't appear. To see everything again, remember we can just remove that filter. The one way to just remove it from this column as a refresher is to basically select the clear filter from name, which is the name of the column, and you basically then see everything again.